Dive into the digital goldmine and turn clicks into cash. Discover how digital marketing not only opens doors to endless online opportunities, but can fill your pockets too. Stay tuned. The journey from pixels to profits is about to unfold. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Dive into the digital marketing realm with us today and stay till the end for some eye-opening insights that could potentially fuel your online money-making journey. Let's navigate these profitable waters together. Ever thought about cashing in on the digital wave? In this high-speed digital era, the internet is a goldmine of opportunities, and one such gem is digital marketing. It's about connecting the dots between businesses and their target audience using the magic of online channels. Now let's unwrap what digital marketing really is. It's a vast realm involving strategies to promote products or services online. Think search engines, social media, email marketing, and content creation. It's the modern-day billboard, but on a global scale. One of the champions of digital marketing is search engine optimization, or SEO. It's about polishing your website to shine bright on search engine result pages. With the right blend of content, keywords, and structure, your website can climb the search engine ladder, pulling in organic traffic. Content marketing is next in line. It's about creating value-packed content to attract and engage your audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media posts, it's about serving a buffet of useful content that resonates with your audience. Then we have the social media marketing arena. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn are your playground. With engaging campaigns, you can tap into the massive user base, boosting brand awareness and driving traffic to your website. Email marketing, the old but gold strategy. By crafting personalized emails, you can nurture your leads down the sales funnel. It's about keeping the conversation going with newsletters, promotional offers, and updates. Now, how about monetizing these digital marketing skills? Freelancing is a great pit stop. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are your launchpad to offer your digital marketing services to a global clientele, all from the comfort of your home. Feeling a spark? Ignite the flame by subscribing, hitting like, and ringing the bell. Together, we'll kindle a blaze of exciting content. Ready to fan the flames? Let's dive back in. Affiliate marketing is another alley. Promote products or services of other businesses and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are your go-to for a diverse range of products to promote. Ever thought about starting a blog? Share your knowledge, experiences, and insights with the world. With consistent, valuable content, SEO, and social media promotion, you can build a tribe and monetize your blog through various channels. If you have a rich vein of knowledge in digital marketing, why not share the wealth through online courses or consultancy? You could be the guiding light for individuals or businesses looking to ramp up their digital marketing game. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera are your stage to host and sell your online courses. On the other hand, consulting opportunities are just a freelance platform away or can be pursued independently. Now let's circle back to the essence. Digital marketing is a treasure trove of online opportunities waiting to be unearthed. Whether it's SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, or email marketing, mastering these realms is your ticket to becoming an invaluable asset to businesses. The beauty of digital marketing is its versatility. You could be freelancing, diving into affiliate marketing, blogging, or offering online courses. It's about picking the path that resonates with you. The digital marketing realm is rich with opportunities to not only make money, but to build a solid online presence. It's about leveraging the power of technology and the internet to connect, engage, and convert. So whether you're looking to freelance, affiliate market, blog, or create online courses, the digital marketing sphere is ripe for the picking. It's about embracing the digital tide, honing your skills, and carving out your own success story in the digital marketing realm. In conclusion, the digital marketing realm is a gold mine of opportunities. By mastering the various aspects of digital marketing, you can position yourself as a linchpin in the online world, helping businesses soar while filling your own coffers. Now is the time to seize these online opportunities and kickstart your journey in the lucrative world of digital marketing. The digital realm is vast and filled with potential. It's about taking the plunge and making waves in the digital marketing ocean. Still viewing? Your steadfastness is about to unearth a secret. Dive into a free ebook showcasing the apex of online businesses ready to be ignited today. But your journey extends even further. Following the ebook, a spellbinding 15-day challenge emerges, painstakingly devised for this unique digital journey. Armed with sage mentors, revelatory insights, and a cache of essential tools, your course towards online dominance is crystal clear. Can you sense the beckoning of opportunity? Act with velocity. Press the link in the description immediately and blast yourself towards a sphere of digital triumph. Logging off from today's e-earning strategy session. Tried the method? Any doubts or victories? Share in the comments. Did today's digital dollar advice resonate? Click that like as a virtual high five. Want more online earning hacks? Subscribe and hit the bell to always be in the know. Before you disconnect, spot that video link. It unlocks another route to online riches. Click and let's continue on the path to digital prosperity together. Until we link up again.